Welcome to a world where sound transcends the ordinary, a world of aural civilization. A revolution in music, a journey into the future, an adventure calling out to you. We're not just crafting melodies here, we're creating experiences, stirring emotions, sparking dialogues, and pushing the boundaries of the conventional. Drawing from quantum physics, we are reinventing cosmic sound, marrying powerful, innovative rhythms with deep cosmic energies. But it's more than just an auditory sensation, it's an awakening, a deeper connection with the universe. Our aim? To create a world where music promotes sustainable development and peace, a world where music is not just heard, but used as a powerful force for good. Aural civilization is sound, care, exploration. We honor the past, innovate for the future, and journey across the sonic universe, uniting people through the power of sound. Join the movement, be part of the revolution. Share the hashtag #AuralCivilization and be an active participant in this new dawn of sonic exploration. As we continue to develop, we stand as a beacon of hope and innovation. This is your reminder that music can unite us all, speaking to the very heart of our humanity. Stay tuned for more on Aural Civilization. Together, we're shaping the future of music and consciousness.